So welcome to your online mathematics class. Good morning students, and today we will do more questions. So revision of factor theorem. Okay, so what is factor theorem? So by factor theorem, x minus a will be a factor of fx if f of a is equal to 0. So what does this mean? Already when we studied this chapter, I have explained this in detail. Since we have started with the revision, so I am solving through questions and explaining you. Okay, now see, for example, first, okay, solution for first x. See what does this note says? By factor theorem, x minus a will be a factor of fx if f of a is equal to 0. So for solution 1, for question number 1, so fx is equal to x cube minus 8, right? And this x minus 2, you have to check for x minus 2 is a factor of this. So you compare x minus 2 and x minus a. This x minus a will be a factor of fx if f of a is equal to 0. So if you compare here, so what is the value of a? 2. So f of 2, okay, we have to check is equal to 0 or not. If f of 2 comes equal to 0, okay, if it is equal to 0, then this fx, okay, that is what this theorem says, then this fx, this x minus 2 will be a factor. So we will substitute this value of 2 in this fx. If it becomes equal to 0, then we will say x minus 2 is a factor of fx, that is x cube minus 8, otherwise not. Now we will substitute and check. So f2 is equal to, so in place of x substitute 2, so 2 cube minus 8. So what is 2 cube? 2 into 2 into 2, right? Minus 8. So 2 to the 4 to the 8. 8 minus 8, which is equal to 0. So when we are solving f2, we are getting it equal to 0. This means x minus 2 is a factor of x cube minus 8. If suppose when we were solving this f2 and the value of f2 comes equal to 1, then we will say x minus 2 is not a factor. Okay, but when we are substituting f of 2, we are getting it equal to 0. This means it is a factor. Okay, now see second question. I have same concept. Second question. Okay, see solution 2. It says x minus 3 is a factor of this. So this is fx and this is x minus a. See, you can compare x minus a. See, I have written here by factor theorem x minus a. Okay, so this x minus 3 will be a factor of this fx if on substituting 3 I get the value of whole of this fx equal to 0. So we do not know whether it is a factor or not. On substituting the values, we will get the value, then only we will check whether it is 0 or not. If the value on substituting 3 in place of x we get equal to 0, then we will say x minus 3 is a factor, otherwise it is not a factor. Okay, so fx is equal to 2x cube plus 7x square minus 24x minus 45. Okay, so you have to check x minus 3 is a factor or not. Okay, so what is the value of a? Compare this. See written here x minus a, so a is equal to 3. So f of 3 is equal to, okay, this means in place of x I will substitute 3 in this fx. Okay, in place of this x I will substitute 3, which is equal to 2 into 3 cube plus 7 into 3 square minus 24 into 3 minus 45. Very simple, student. What is the value? We are substituting for x 3. So substitute here 3 cube plus 3 square into 7 minus 24 into 3 minus 45. I am repeating again, students. If on substituting this value, okay, of 3, okay, in place of x, if we get this equal to 0, then we will say x minus 3 is a factor. If on solving f3 we get not equal to 0, not equal to 0 means it can be any value. It can be minus 1, it can be minus 5, anything, we do not know. The only thing is, if it is equal to 0, then we will say it is a factor. If it is not equal to 0, then we will say it is not a factor. I hope you have followed, students. It is clear. So let me raise this. So we will solve and check. Okay, if on substituting this value of f of 3 we get equal to 0, then we will say x minus 3 is a factor, otherwise it is not a factor. So start solving. So this is 3 cubes, so 3 into 3 into 3, 27, 27 into 2, 54, plus 3 square, 9, 9 sevens are 63, minus 24 into 3, 3 4s are 12, carry plus 1, 72, minus 45. Add this, 3 and 4, 7, 6 and 5, 11, minus 5 and 2, 7, 7 and 4, 11. So 117 minus 117 is equal to 0. So we are getting f3 equal to 0. This means, which implies x minus 3 is a factor of fx. What is fx here? 2x cube plus 7x square minus 24x minus 45. Followed? If suppose, I'm repeating again, on solving f3 we would have got equal to minus 1, minus 2, 2, 5, any values except 0, then we would have said x minus 3 is not a factor of 2x cube plus 7x square minus 24x minus 45. I hope you have followed, students. Okay, we will say that this a will be a factor only if f of a is equal to 0. Okay, so let me solve one more question. Let me raise this. I hope you have followed now how we have to solve. All this have been explained in detail, students. Now we're doing revision. So I'm explaining you with the questions now, alright? Okay, so I hope you have followed this. Okay, so let me proceed. Okay, now see in this it is saying find the value of a. Okay, you have to find the value of a for which x minus 4 is a factor of this. Now see, it is saying you don't have to find value of f of 4, you have to find the value of a. But as I told students, from the question only you get to know what the question is asking. Okay, you underline the keywords, understand from the question, read the question carefully what it is asking. It is asking the value of a, but it is also saying that x minus 4 is a factor of this. This means f of 4 is equal to 0. Okay, because it says in the question x minus 4 is a factor of this polynomial, okay, fx. So this means when I will substitute x is equal to 4, I will write this equal to 0. Okay, so f of 4 will be equal to 0. So I can start with the question. This is what I had explained in the previous question, students. When it is saying a factor, this means it will be equal to 0. Same thing here. Okay, so therefore by factor theorem, okay, by factor theorem, f of 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so what is the value of fx? Let me raise this. So the value of fx, the value of fx is this. Okay, it is given to us. So fx is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 18x plus 8. So what we will do now, f of 4. Okay, so I'm substituting here. So f of 4 is equal to 2 into 4 cube minus 3 into 4 square minus 18 into 4 plus a, right? So f of 4 is equal to 0. Why this is equal to 0? Because I'm repeating again, it is given in the question x minus 4 is a factor. This means when I substitute f of 4, which is equal to 0, so I'm writing here equal to 0. So 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 64 into 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. Okay, so you can cross check, students. 4 4s are 16, right? 16 into 4, 4 6 are 24, plus 2, 64 into 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. So I'm doing directly. You also should learn this, okay, directly. 4 square 16, 16 3s are 48. Okay, minus 4 8s are 32, 2 carry plus 3, so minus 72 plus a. So this is equal to 128 minus 8 and 2 10, 0 carry plus 1, 7 and 4 11, 11 and 1 12 plus a. So plus minus minus, this is 8 plus a is equal to 0. So I can rewrite this as a plus 8 is equal to 0. So a is equal to minus 8. Are you following, students? Just go through this question. Any step you are not clear, ask me. Okay, go through this carefully and ask me if anything is not clear. Now I'm giving you homework. When you substitute a is equal to minus 8, you can substitute here. 8 is equal to a is equal to minus 8. See, when you substitute 8 is equal to minus 8, so this factor should be equal to 0. See, you can cross check. See, I'm verifying here. See, verify. If I substitute a is equal to minus 8, so see here, substitute here and check only. 128 minus 120, okay, plus 8, a plus, what is the value of a? Minus 8. So 128 minus 120 plus minus 8. So 128 minus 128 plus minus minus. Okay, both the cases will minus. So 128 minus 128 is equal to 0. This means answer is verified. On substituting the values of a, see, it is getting equal to 0, and that is what is given in the question. X minus 4 is a factor. This means when you will substitute 4, you will get equal to 0. Okay, but we have to check. That is why we were taking f4 is equal to 0. But question is not saying you have to check for this. Question is saying you have to find the value of a. So in this way, we will get the value of a. I hope students you have followed. So in this way, you will complete the questions, okay, and repeat these questions again in your fair registers. Okay, so study well and all the best.